CAPTCHA, an acronym for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart, is a fully automated system that's created to tell that a user is a human. I'm sure you've already heard the word CAPTCHA before, right? And you might have even solved a few of them when you sign up for a particular website, maybe answer some interviews, or just have encountered it somewhere online. CAPTCHA is not only used for those functions, because little did we know, we can also earn from solving or typing CAPTCHA. In this video, I'll share with you 3 websites that will pay you $1 per minute of typing a CAPTCHA. Remember that the websites are ranked from lowest to highest paying. So make sure you watch this video all the way through the end, because those 3 websites can be used all at once to earn more money online. You don't have to be an expert in this method. You just have to prepare your phone, computer, or laptop, as well as a stable internet connection to get started. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Now let's start with the first website on our list. The website's name is CAPTCHA.com. And yes, from the name itself, you'll be paid here by solving CAPTCHAs. This might not be the highest paying website, but they still provide a decent amount of payment. The first one is the CAPTCHA solving service, and the second one is work for 2 CAPTCHA. In the CAPTCHA solving service, you will be paid $1 for every 1,000 solved CAPTCHAs. So, working for 2 CAPTCHA is like data entry work that you can do in the comforts of your home. You'll get instant payments, and it's very easy to sign up and start earning money on this website. Now, click the Work For Us button at the top of the website, and you'll be directed to a page where you can see important information about the CAPTCHA typing job. It's written here that CAPTCHA filling is a legit easy typing job, and it guarantees you to have some additional income. The registration is free, and anyone can try and work here. So on this available website, you can make money by typing a CAPTCHA on your mobile device. No investment is required to start on this job. Online CAPTCHA work with the instant payments and CAPTCHA entry jobs allow all people to earn money online from their homes in a very easy way. So, the big question is, how does it work? How does one earn money through CAPTCHA solving? Well, the first step you need to do is to sign up on this best online CAPTCHA typing site. Then you'll receive a confirmation email in your inbox. After verifying the link, you can start solving the CAPTCHA and earn money. And don't worry, because you will get paid instantly. You can earn 50 cents without investing any of your money here. You can get paid higher than that because it will depend on the service load. They have a minimum payout here that starts from 50 cents, which is reasonably low. And that means you can already cash out your payment if you want to. There aren't any payout fees, and you'll surely get your earnings 100%. They accept different payment methods like web money, perfect money, out of cash, payeer, RTM, Bitcoin, and many more. But how do you become a CAPTCHA solver and earn? Well, all you need is a computer, a laptop, or a smartphone, and of course, internet connection. They also have this free training that you need to pass. To prove that this website is legit, you can search for 2CAPTCHA.com reviews on your search bar. So here's the website where you'll find a lot of reviews from people who've worked with 2CAPTCHA.com. The website received a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot and SiteJabber. To sign up, just click the Start Earning button, and then you'll be directed to this page where you should put your email and password. You could also sign up with your Google or Facebook account. After you log in, you can start typing CAPTCHA and earn money. And so that's the first website, 2CAPTCHA.com. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Let's now move on to the second website called Megatypers.com. This is the Megatypers website. Megatypers is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to both private and government institutions. Megatypers' main goal is to support their clients' digitization requirements, and that's by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. They offer image-to-text recognition and transcription, and they also help visually impaired people to overcome the internet's visual challenges. This website is available worldwide because this website is looking for typers from all around the world. You only need a computer with an internet connection, and that's it. You should be able to type at least 10 words per minute. But if you're not a fast typer, you can improve your typing skills on different websites that offer free typing tests. Because the faster you type, the more typer credits you'll earn. Typer credits are like points that can be converted into dollar currency. Additionally, MegaTypers offers a flexible schedule. You can work anytime you want. This opportunity is for everyone, whether you're a mother that wants to work in the comfort of your home, or a parent that needs a second job, or a student that needs a side hustle. You can definitely try this job. The more you work and type CAPTCHA, the more money you can earn. Their top typers earn between $100 and $250 typer credits each month. Their payment starts from 45 cents up to $1.50 typer credits for every 1,000 word image. The available payment options they have are debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. To register, click the sign up button and you'll be taken to this page where you need to email, name, create a password, and choose your payment method. As you can see, the recommended payment method is PayPal, but it's okay if you use other payment options. There is a warning here that you need to read. It states that you cannot change the information you provide, so please make sure that you select the correct payment method. Then check the box if you agree on the important notes. Next, solve the reCAPTCHA. Then, finally, click the register button. After you log into your account, you can start earning money by doing the tasks on this website. And that's all about our second website. Now, we're on to the third website, which is also the highest paying website. The name of the website is colotibablo.com. They provide stable jobs for everyone, and you can do this anywhere you are. Colotibablo started last 2007, but they're still quite stable and providing the best services to people. They have an accurate statistics system where you can track your entries and payments. You can also withdraw your earnings instantly using your preferred payment method. Scroll down and you'll see the testimonials of different people who've worked with Colotibablo. There's a link here that you can click to see other Colotibablo stories of employees from all around the world. To register on this website, simply click the sign in button. Then click register and put your username and email. After clicking the register button, expect that you'll receive an email in your inbox. In that email, you'll see a password that's been automatically provided by the website. You'll then use that password to log in. After logging in, this is what your dashboard should look like. You can start working using the website or the application. Here, you can track your stats and see your referral link, which you can then use to refer other people and earn extra money. These are the tasks that you can do. They have reCAPTCHA solving here, in which you need to type the letters and numbers you see. Please make sure that whatever you type and submit is accurate, because if you have many mistakes or errors, there is a possibility that you would get banned from their website. They also offer other tasks like image CAPTCHA solving, anti-gate tasks, image CAPTCHA moderation, fun CAPTCHA, and many more. And that's all about the Colotibablo website. You can explore their website and try out their different tasks on your own. It's better if you try the 3 websites. They all have free registration anyway. But remember that you won't be an instant millionaire even if you use the 3 websites. You can just use them as your side hustle to earn extra cash. And there you have it. I hope you learned something from this video. Just share your comments and thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. And to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.